Don't do it. No! 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 All right, little buddy. Whoa, what happened?
Get daddy.
Ah!
Fill them all back up. Wait, let's fill them all back up.
These things are pretty cool. They just close and they're full of water. And then just plop, and they splash and hit, and then they break open. No! Oh, that was cold. Don't do it. Oh, that was close. This is fresh hose water. No! Ah! No! No!
How'd that feel?
Yeah, how'd that feel? Oh! Christ, not my head, buddy. That's ouchie. No!
No!
Oh, it's cold. Oh, down the back. Ah! Right up my nose, dude. Ah. Tonight we're gonna camp out in the backyard, and I'm gonna light the fire. We're gonna have some hot dogs, some s'mores, and then we're gonna watch fireworks when the fireworks start. So enjoy the video. Yep, this'll do for the night. I'm gonna get him blankets for that corner so he's not just on ground. But yeah, this'll work. Not too bad. Ah, I could actually fall asleep. No, it is a little warm. It's about 75 degrees right now. A low of 66 tonight, so it might get a little chilly. But I'll make sure Bryson's comfortable. We should be good. I'm gonna roll the sleeping bag out yet, and then get some other stuff out in here, and I'll bring you back once we're ready for fireworks. Alright, I'm standing on my roof so I can see the fireworks better. Wish these houses weren't here. Alright, we're gonna light the fire. Fireworks are still going off. My little glow stick here, Bryson got scared so he went inside. But after the fireworks, we're gonna come back out and roast some hot dogs, get ready for bed. It's bright. Some old cardboard in here, and this is some crazy old wood from like a long time. I haven't used this fire pit in a long time. Oh, there goes the finale. Oh crap, I don't have video of that. I'm gonna out quick and get it, see if I can get it yet. No, I'm not gonna get it. Whoa! That came from the opposite way. Somebody's setting, hey, there's a piece of cardboard here, let's use that. Somebody set a big one off. That might have been tannerite though, I don't know. Alright, we have a lighter, let's just use it. If I was out in the woods and didn't have a lighter, this would be a little different, but I have a lighter, I'm using it. Here we go. That should do something now. Okay, I also brought paper because, you know, never know how bad it's going to be, so I'm just going to use paper. Why not? Oh yeah, let me do something. This wood is so dry, it should easily just, oh yeah, look at that, it's gone up already. This is going to burn quick. This is going to burn really fast. There we go. Look at that. Push that in now. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, easy peasy. It should burn nicely. This fire ring that I have is called Brio. It's supposed to be like it's like a smokeless fire ring. Underneath here, I don't know if you can see, there's little holes, there's little vent holes under there. It goes all the way around the ring. And what that's supposed to do is it's supposed to draw air and oxygen in from underneath the ring, bring it in and put it in so it smokes less once the fire is really hot. Whew. Yep. Yep. Mm-hmm. Look, the fire's burning. Want to come out? It's okay, you don't have to. You want a hot dog? Yeah? Did I make it bring it in? There's more too? Okay, we gotta let the water or the fire get hot. Do you wanna come out and sit with Daddy?
The fireworks are over, baby.
Fireworks are all done.
No more booming.
There's no more booms and fireworks. It's all done. You don't have to come out, Daddy's just asking. Do you still want to sleep in the tent with Daddy? Yeah? Okay. We can then. Daddy's gonna get the hot dogs and stuff, okay? Grayson's watching my video. There we go. These ones. Bear wants one. Here. There we go. Look, hot dogs. You want one then? Okay, Daddy's gonna go in a while. Let's get these weenies roasted. Alright, they should be done. Okay. I think we got these graham crackers when we were in Georgia yet. This one? Ooh, nice and hot. You have to see how fast that wood burned down. It's so dry. That one's spinning the wrong thing. Alright, they're done. Yep. They're not at all burnt.
I just want one.
Let me get that first bite. Bite. Nice gooey gooey. Ooh, that's perfect.
I'm gonna put my stuff in my face. It got cinnamon and all.
They're really good. Bryson, you want to try one?
They're good, Bryce.
Careful, it's really messy. Big bite. Whoa, Mine?
No, I think we got it fixed. Okay, I'm sorry, I missed it. Hopefully all is good. If not, let me know tomorrow. I mean, he's gonna go nuts.
Whoa, gooey.
He's gonna come in.
Here.
On a Friday or Tuesday.
Good?
His service came in while he was at ours. His text makes perfect sense.
What's the chocolate?
Yep. Big bite right here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, buddy, it's going to be a mess. Randall. Bite really hard. No, bite really hard. Bite really hard. There you go. Now you got chocolate. Wait a minute. Can you say that again?
Do you think it's
That was
cold
probably the
now?
best one I ever had.
Alright, so I grabbed an extension cord. I'm going to use that to plug in my phone. Fire's down to coals. It burned for a good hour. I should turn super night mode on. Alright, this is super night mode. I don't know how much of a difference it really makes. Bryson is not sleeping with me tonight after all. He was going to, and then he got scared of the fireworks, and then he just got too scared to come outside again, so he said he doesn't want to sleep out tonight. So I understand, but that's okay. We'll do our first night out together in the woods. Just gotta let that guy burn all night. See if that catches or not. I don't know if it will. But I want the fire to go till morning. It'd be cool. And then maybe we can cook on the fire. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, let's go see how these beans are doing. Oh, it's warm. We're canning some beans out of our garden. And I have a video coming up about that. It's probably going to be actually more towards the end of summer to pick all of our stuff in our garden, dig up the potatoes and pick the corn and everything. And we have some watermelon and cantaloupe and pumpkins, big thing of pumpkins, which you'll see the update. You'll probably see like background. Actually, earlier in this video, you would have seen a background of what that looks like right now. But I have I'm gonna be coming out with a video of from planting to harvest to eating, and just updates like every 2 weeks between that. So it's pretty crazy to see the progress and see what it's like now. But anyhow, I'm gonna do a few things around here yet, and then I am going to get ready for bed. A video pulling the beans out of the water yet, but otherwise I'm gonna go to bed. So yeah, I'll be back. It's late. Finished with the beans. They're all good to go. Cooling down. Fire is pretty much just embers. Smoking a little bit with the log on here yet, but I'm just gonna let that go for the night. I got Fair out here with me. You see him? He's black. He's really hard to see. There he is. He's my boy. Come on, let's go. So we're gonna go get in the tent and probably go to bed. So good night. See you in the morning.
Luke here with the Outdoor Buzz YouTube channel, and it's fall here in Alaska. I'm camping in bushcraft survival shelters, hunting grouse and hares, cooking up good food, and having a great time.
Alright. Good. Wasn't too bad. Slept pretty good. The cheapo Amazon air mattress camping pads, pretty nice. It's nice and, I mean, it's not like a bed obviously, but it's better than excuse me. It's better than straight on the ground. That's one thing I like to do though. Just sit here and listen to the birds. So peaceful. And then you have vehicles and stuff in the background, but you learn to ignore it. Unless you get up soon. Bryson will probably be up soon. And he'll want to probably come outside. Plus, I don't want to be in here too long. It's starting to get a little warm in here. But it's not bad yet. I might just lay here for a little bit yet. And then I'm gonna let the tent sit out some of the day or for a little bit to dry out a little bit in the sun, because I can see the dampness on the rain cover above me just from the dew and stuff in the morning. So yeah, I'll get up here just soon and start making breakfast. There we go. Nope, that's the screen. Wrong one. Top one. Nope. When it gets down to the bottom here, it's hard to go. Come on. Open. There it goes. Alright, buddy, come. Get out. Oh, crap. Yeah, it didn't do much. Figured that wouldn't really burn. A little dusty. What's up here? Wet. Moisture. Alright, let's close this guy back up. Any bugs or animals or whatever in it. Okay, let's see if we can get the fire going. Try to make a little platform. Put my cast iron pan to sit on. Looks like it's smoking a little bit. Might start back up. We'll see. Chip some bark off. I don't know. I do not know. I mean, right here is warm and it's smoking, so there's got to be coals there on that log. So maybe we can get something to happen. That would be cool. I need to get something to help it start out a little bit. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, got the fire going. May or may not have used a little bit of cardboard I had laying in my garage. It's not going yet, but it's getting there. And may or may not have used a fire starter, if you want to call it that. Probably not the safest thing, but just a little bit to try to make it go. Obviously, if I'm at home, so I'm going to use what I have here. But if I'm out in the woods or whatever, I'm planning on making a fire starter with either wax or some cotton balls and Vaseline. We'll see. But that'll really help things get going better. But for now, I'm just using what I have. Cardboard should be fine. Burns for a while. Burns a lot longer than like newspaper or something. And should light this wood right up, and then we can cook. We'll see. Alright, I actually found a really fine piece of wood as well. I threw that in. Here, it should be able to break now. Oh, that's hot. Just chuck it in. Yeah, it's nice and hot now. Oh yeah. I knew it would do that. Okay, so what I'm thinking, take a pan. It's a pretty new pan. Just chuck them about right there, just to keep it from falling in the fire like that. That should. Sorry, my chair's over. And yes, I know I have grills and da-da-da up here and all kinds of stuff over my back porch. I don't care. Breakfast this morning is looking like 4 eggs, slab of butter. Actually, it's a little more than a slab of butter. And 2 hot dogs because I don't have bacon, so I'm just gonna use hot dogs. There. Down, dude. So, we'll let this pan heat up. Get them out. I don't know how it's gonna get sitting here. It's pretty warm already. It's gonna cook on, I was gonna cook on those pieces of wood in the fire there, but with how it's burning right now, I'm not gonna do that. And it's a little windy, so maybe let it get a little hotter. And I'll just make this side my cooking side, and this side's gonna be my cold side. Yeah, this is warm. It's not hot. This is warm. I feel that heat already. Oh, let's not do that. How far can I go until it falls over? That should be perfect, actually. I'll chuck some of the butter in a while, though. Oh. Boop. Not that much. I don't know why I brought this much butter out here. Get off. Oh yeah, it's hot already. Definitely. Goodness. Browning the butter already over there. Maybe a little more butter. I like a lot of butter on my stuff. And actually, butter is very healthy for you if you did not know. Butter is very good for you. Whoa, that was that. What do you call it? Piece of wood. I think it's pine. I got that from. I just put it in a new dishwasher not long ago, and that was in the box. That butter's really been hot. Let me flip that over this way just a little bit. Shoot, I don't have a hot pad or anything. Alright, so that pan's hot enough. Crap, I didn't grab any salt or anything. Which, can this be my holder? That'll work. Okay, that butter's over. Let me just spin this hot side of the pan now. No, Bear. Stay back, buddy. It's hot. Okay, eggs. Okay, put it on the fire. It'll burn, maybe. If it gets hot enough, it'll burn. Oh, that's burning. Alright, it's cooking quick. Stir that around a little bit. I like scrambled eggs. Ooh, that's hot. cheese out either. Oh well. It'll be fine. I think they're about done. A little more of the fire. I think I'm singeing the hair on my fingers. Please don't be burning. Alright, I sprinkled a little salt and pepper on top of the cheese yet, just to get it in there. Uh-oh. Man, I don't know what it is, but there's just something about cooking on a fire. I have a regular grill, I have a black stone, I have a stove inside, but I don't do this often, but when I do get to do it, it's fun. I don't know why. It's more satisfying because it takes a lot to build a fire. I guess it doesn't take a lot, but you know, it takes a decent amount to build the fire. And then, you know, trying to get the pan too hot, you gotta find the right heat. Yeah, I don't know. It's just more satisfying in my opinion. All right, I think this is ready. Actually, it's not too bad if we just have that. I'm gonna take hot dogs and snip them. Ah, it's hot. Goodness gracious. Ooh. I guess you could think the hot dogs are almost like Spam. Although I've never had Spam, so I don't know. But it looks the same. Almost looks the same as Spam. Bear wants one of these. Hey, buddy, you want one of these? Plate here. I got some pepper. Let's just scoop it out. Oh yeah. It's hot. It's good. Eggs and hot dogs. Which, sorry, it's very bright. The sun's right behind my head. I can see that on the screen. Maybe I didn't need to put too much salt on these eggs after all. The hot dogs are very salty. Man, it's good. Oh what? Oh what? Hmm? What's the matter? Don't I feed you? Hmm? Yeah. Do you have one bite? A hot dog? I'm getting full. There you go, buddy. So I just filled this with cold water from the hose, and I'm also going to do something else. Okay, hold on a second. Bryson, don't go in it.
Daddy, can I go in it?
So this ice is what I used to put in here for my ice baths. This ice has been in the freezer for a good 8 to 10 months probably.
Can I have some?
Since I've done an ice bath.
Can I have some?
You want to put one in?
Yeah.
It's cold. One? Throw 'em in. Ah, it's cold. Oh, it's cold. Gently. Gentle.
Daddy, can I have more, Daddy? Can I have more,
This is gonna be cold. Those are heavy. Yeah, it's gonna set them in there. Gentle.
Wait, can I have some?
More bottles. Gentle. Okay. Now we let those go
Daddy, you tired
for
Daddy.
10 or so minutes to come out, stir it up a bit, and then we get in. Okay.
Dad, can I swim?
I'm gonna do some Epsom salt as well in here.
Oh!
I don't know. I've done it before. It just seems to make the water a little colder. So
It's
probably enough. Whoa, way too much. Perfect. You see?
Yeah.
And this is like, it says supposed to soothe sore muscles, magnesium sulfate soaking solution. Ready? Ready? Just water in bottles. Hold on. All right.
I want a bottle, Daddy. I want a bottle.
Throw it in. Ah! Okay, it's pretty cold. It's not, you can stand on here, buddy. It's looking at Daddy, okay?
Dad,
Right. So I put the thermometer in here from the pool in here. So far it's about 60, 65-ish. I don't know. We'll see till I'm done. I'm definitely gonna heat it up a little, but it's cold. Oh, so the coldest I've ever had this water in here is, I think I've had it down to 50. No, I've had it down to like 47, I think was the coldest I've ever had it. And that's cold. But last time I did this was probably when it was this cold. It was probably almost a year ago, not quite a year. No, it was like not quite fall, it was like summer, late summer when I did this last. All right.
Doing that.
Recording it? Yeah.
Doing.
See if the drop any temperature.
Doing that.
So yeah, I'd say it's probably like 60, 65.
Doing.
Go in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't on the water.
The key is to just jump in and go down. Oh gosh. Oh. Can I step up?
You don't on the water. Daddy.
Oh yeah. Whew.
Dad,
Oh.
I want
Okay.
Daddy.
Alright, here we go.
Daddy.
Yeah, I said the key is to go down right away.
Daddy.
It's hard.
And.
No, buddy, it's really cold. You may not go in this one. It's really, really cold. Alright. Get everything away from behind me. When it gets down past the belly and, you know, that area, it gets really, really cold.
Daddy.
Don't splash, please. It's cold. Ah! Don't splash. Alright, here we go. Okay, it's not so bad. See what that temperature says now. Still says 65, so I don't think it's 65. It's gotta be colder than 65.
Don't on the Daddy.
Go under? Okay, ready? I gotta tuck my leg. I gotta tuck my
Put
legs.
your nose down.
I don't have to hold my nose. I used to, but I don't anymore. Ready?
Dad, don't on there.
Don't throw, buddy. Please don't.
Daddy.
Okay.
Don't on the Daddy.
Meow. Meow.
Daddy.
Meow. Now it's not that cold. And yes, I know this is the trash can. By the way, before I get on this, I cleaned it out. This trash can has not been used for trash ever. I got this trash can from, well, when we moved here. This was our company when we had moved here originally, but they went out of business, and they had just given us new trash cans, and I think we maybe used them once, one for like 1 week, and then I don't know what happened there, but company went out of business, and then there's another new company came in, and gave us new trash cans, and then these got set aside. I actually gave these to my sister because I wasn't going to use them, and then she never used them. I was a recycling bin and a trash can, but this trash can obviously is bigger than the recycle. So I washed them out really well, and I used it a lot last summer, and I think I'm going to do it again. I can't get myself to do it in the wintertime when it's absolutely like freezing cold, because there's no way. But alright, I think I'm gonna go under one more time. That should be about 5 minutes up. Bryson, please don't throw anyone. I'm underwater, okay? I don't want them to hit my head. Okay? Alright? I'm gonna go underwater one more time.
Okay.
Alright.
Daddy.
Probably not the safest to do this, but
I especially with fly bottle.
very tiny pool for a very tiny person. But the cool thing is, I can chill. I can lay across the pool and actually like just stretch out. Ready? Set.
Okay. Daddy. Daddy.
It's just enough to cool off,
Daddy.
which is awesome.
Make the legs like this.
Huh?
Make
Legs
the
like
legs
this?
this.
Whoa! Sorry. You okay?
Hey. Daddy.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and share. And if you enjoyed the video, go check out some of the other ones. We'll put them up on the screen over here. And subscribing is just clicking a button. It's free, no charge. It'd be great. Thank you guys. Have a good one.